What's the meaning of croft? Croft. Croft.
Croft. Croft. The word croft is a noun that refers to a small enclosed piece of land, typically one near a dwelling or farmstead, used for pasture or cultivation. It can also refer to a small rented farm. The word is of Old English origin and has been used since the Middle Ages. In modern times, crofts are still found in Scotland and some parts of northern England. The term is often associated with rural and agricultural areas, and can evoke a sense of simplicity and close connection to the land.